Hello everyone, and welcome to Daily Fix Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to contact EA support team directly through their live chat feature. Now this process is extremely straightforward, so without wasting any more time, let's jump right in. Now getting hold of a real person at EA sometimes feels like a maze, but the secret is starting at the right website and making sure you are logged in first. Now what you do is simply open your browser and head over to help.ea.com. Now, before you do anything, first click on the top right-hand side corner, and you should be able to see a login option right over here. Click on that, enter your EA credentials, and this is crucial because it gives you access to the personalized support option that aren't available for normal guests. Now, once you've signed in, you need to tell them which game is giving you trouble. So scroll down and look for the specific title you need help with. For example, FC 25, Madden NFL, or anything else. And you can find all the games right over here. So now let's say, for example, you're having a problem with F1 25. Choose the game now. You will try to show you a bunch of help articles to solve the problem yourself. So we want to skip past those and get to the live agent. Now here's how to find the chat button. You simply scroll down the suggested articles until you see buttons that say Contact Us. Go ahead and click on that option. Now you will be asked to select a category for your issue, like for example, technical support, a missing component, or something like that. So all you do is simply type something right over here, and it should give you your category right over here. Then after you do that, few more options will appear in front of you. For example, the type of platform you're playing the game on, and a section to describe your issue. So just simply enter all the details that you know of, and then just simply describe the problem in the last section, be as detailed as you possibly can, and then if you have any screenshot of the error or the problem that you're having, just simply upload them right over here. And finally, just simply tap on the Submit option right over here, and then you will be placed in a queue. Just keep the window open, and an EA representative will contact you shortly to help resolve your issue. So that's it. Now you know how to bypass the articles and speak to a real person at EA Support Live Chat. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. So thank you for watching and take care.